Student Life Simplified, 21 Game-Changing Hacks for Academic Success. Life hack: secure your items with vacuum packing when relocating. Vacuum pack your clothes before moving or for a summer trip to maximize suitcase space. Consider roll-up bags as an alternative, some available for less than £10 at Argos. Life hack: experiment with passive cooking. Simply boil on the hob for a few minutes, then cover the pan and turn off the heat, utilizing residual heat for continued cooking. Life hack: utilize cashback apps from supermarkets to get free food. Use referral credits to get discounts on purchases, essentially making them free, although you initially pay the full price and get reimbursed by the app later. Life hack: adhere to a meal schedule. Save money on food by adopting meal prepping, which entails planning meals in advance, allowing you to buy only necessary ingredients and minimizing waste. Life hack: secure a part-time position with perks like freebies and discounts. Opt for a restaurant job for potential free food during breaks, helping cover living costs and reducing food expenses. Life hack: conduct self-budget reviews monthly. Manage your finances effectively by scheduling regular budget meetings with yourself, whether it's monthly or weekly. Life hack: opt for a digital bank app or prepaid card for your banking needs. Simplify budget tracking by transferring your monthly spending amount from your main student bank account to your app-based account, using the latter exclusively for purchases. Life hack: purchase gift cards at a discount. Discover discounted gift cards with the right knowledge and sources. Life hack: give the 1p challenge a shot. The 1p challenge is a simple and effective life hack, saving over £660 in a year by gradually increasing daily deposits, starting with just 1p on day 1 and progressing from there. Life hack: opt for budget-friendly gym alternatives. Exercise affordably by running, joining free park runs, following online fitness tutorials like Yoga with Adrian, or creating a budget-friendly home gym. Life hack: save on home energy costs by studying at the library. Cut heating costs in winter by working at the library, and consider charging devices at university to save additional energy. Life hack: acquire a plug that conserves energy. Investing in energy-saving plugs that allow you to fully turn off devices, eliminating standby power consumption and potentially reducing bills. Life hack: purchase an extended mobile phone charging cable. Investing in longer charging cables, enabling you to use your phone from across the room while it charges. Life hack: explore book bibliographies for additional sources. Effortlessly expand your sources for a university essay by checking the bibliographies of books you've read, noting down relevant titles referenced by the authors to explore in your university library. Life hack: employ Google Scholar for your referencing needs. Quickly find citations in various styles by clicking the Cite button next to the search results. Life hack: utilize phone timers to schedule study blocks. Boost productivity by setting phone timers for focused study blocks, like 30 minutes, followed by short breaks of 10 to 20 minutes to maintain concentration and efficiency. Life hack: restrict access to social media apps on your phone when working, as they can easily become time-consuming distractions when you have work to focus on. Life hack: start with the shorter tasks on your to-do list. Optimize your productivity by creating a daily to-do list, including even small tasks, to effectively plan and prioritize your day. Life hack: utilize a coat hanger with clips to prop up study texts. Simplify studying with a coat hanger with clips to hold open university textbooks, allowing you to type or take notes more comfortably. Life hack: remove creases from clothes, hanging them in the bathroom while you shower. The steam helps smooth out creases, providing a convenient alternative to ironing. Life hack: craft homemade cleaning products. Cut costs on cleaning by using homemade solutions with everyday items like vinegar, lemons, soda, and even Coca-Cola for tasks like descaling, drain unblocking, and oven cleaning. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.